Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the polygonal puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word, and where the shape at the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So today, the first three letters are the same as the last three letters, but in reverse, which is interesting. So it's possibly going to start D-E-R and end R-E-D, or maybe R-E-D and D-E-R, but there are, of course, quite a few other options. I think RE is definitely a good place to start, though. Maybe the D is not completely forced, so do we want to put a different consonant into this position? Retorta? It can't be retorta because we can't use another R as one of the 4/4/5 letters because it uses a different symbol. I suppose DE is another option. D. Oh, there must be something that fits here. Despised. That's not the nicest word, but of course it definitely is a possibility, so let's go for it and see what information it gives us. Okay, so only the E's are correct, so that makes it a lot more likely that it's going to be RE, but still not completely guaranteed. So now we need to think of a different consonant to go in the 3rd and 6th positions. T I still think is the most likely, but what are we going to put in this gap? Probably, I mean it's definitely going to have a vowel in one of the two positions. Retactor? Don't think that's a word. And I don't think we can get any of the other vowels involved, can we? But I don't know what could be. Surely it has to start and end with an R, doesn't it? So if it's not a T in this position, what is it going to be instead? Oh, remember would almost have worked. Re-blubber is not a word. Re-gouger is surely not a word. Yeah, it's not even accepted. I didn't think it was a word. I didn't think it would be correct, but I thought at least if it did accept it, it would confirm or deny my suspicions about whether it's an RE beginning. Renowner? I thought that might be, that's more likely to be a word, I think, than regouger, as in somebody of great renown. But no. Let's go back to the T's then. It's not retouter, clearly, because that's not a word. And it really looks like it should be retorter, but we cannot use another R. So what are we going to do instead? If it's not a T, there are really not that many good consonants left. Or it almost looks like recycler, but of course then the second C would be in slightly the wrong position. So, let's just go for retorter. It's clearly not correct. But it has given me a lot more information to go on. So I was correct about the RE. So what on earth is this letter? Are we going to have a consonant or a vowel in this position, do we think? Because we're definitely going to have a consonant here, aren't we? Revolver, I never considered a V. Should have got that in too. A little bit disappointed that took me an extra guess. But it's not terrible, I suppose. But yeah, definitely should have got that in too. Only 12 words matched that pattern. Yeah, that was a bit of a struggle. But having said that, I still should have got it a bit quicker. But what can you do? 3 is never completely awful. That's the polygonal puzzle. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you were shouting revolver at the screen. And don't forget to like the video if you got this far in particular. Bye for now.